How to use VLC Player on your phone. This tutorial shows you how to play videos and manage your media library the easy way. First, open the Play Store. Search for VLC and tap Install if you haven't already. After that, open the VLC app once installed. From there, allow storage permissions if prompted. At this point, VLC will automatically scan your device and list all video and audio files it finds. In the next step, tap the Video or Audio tab at the bottom to browse your media. Following this, tap any file to start playing it. Once done, while playing, tap the screen to reveal playback controls. From here, drag the equalizer icon if you want to adjust sound settings during playback. At this stage, tap the three dots for more options, like changing subtitles or audio tracks. Keep in mind, VLC supports almost every video and audio format, so it works well as a universal player without needing extra codecs. Finally, tap the folder icon if you want to browse and open a specific file manually instead of from the auto-scanned list. And that's it. If this guide helped you use VLC Player on your phone,